going to injure myself. Okay. Let's make a recipe for my 1887 White House cookbook. Bird's nest pudding. I feel like my kids would really like this. And then while I'm reading it, I'm thinking to myself, oh, this sounds simple enough, which has gotten me in trouble every single time because it's not simple. Because apparently people of the 19th century left out a lot of details of their recipes. So I'm having to fill in the blanks and I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to baking. So this is where we get into trouble. First, we're going to core and peel 8 apples. I'm going to half this recipe because that's a lot. And of course it doesn't say what type of apples, what size. So I'm just going with what we have, which are some Honeycrisp apples. Apples peeled, let's take out the core. Probably a better tool to do this, but I don't have that. I'm probably going to end up wounded doing this. Why can't I get my knife out? Oh, I'm going to injure myself. It's like this, like, okay. It's cored. Great. No! Oh my God. Try to get this one out without exploding the whole entire apple. No! Ah! We are 0 for 2. Great. Oh my God! I did it! One bird's nest. I have one. We're gonna put it in a dish and fill the places from which the cores have been taken with sugar and a little grated nutmeg. Cover and bake. It gives me no amounts and it doesn't tell me how hot my oven needs to be or how long to bake or what my goal is with baking. So I'm making this up per usual. Okay, sugar, and then we're gonna do some nutmeg. While that bakes, let's do the pudding. The yolks of 2 eggs. Also, look at my cute little vintage bowl that I just got, specifically for making these recipes. To add 1 teacupful of flour. I Googled this, and a teacup roughly equals 3/4 of a cup. That's what we're gonna do. 3/4 of a cup. Then 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoonful of salt. Okay. 1/2 pint of milk, which I think equals 1 cup. I just Googled it. That should be right. 1 cup of milk. It wants us to beat our egg whites and then add it into the pudding mixture. Bake for 1 hour in a moderate oven. It says serve with sauce. It gives me no sauce recipe, so it's choose my own adventure. Luckily, in this cookbook, there is a sauce section, pages of sauces for me to choose. So I looked last night and I think I'm going to do grandmother sauce. Out of the oven. They haven't really done too much, but to be completely honest with you, I am running out of time. So pour the pudding mixture over my apples and then we'll finish the grandmother sauce. We're gonna bake it for 1 hour. Grandmother sauce, we have 1/2 cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. We're gonna add 1 well-beaten egg. Then 6 ounces of boiling milk, slowly and stirring. Oh! As I'm pouring it everywhere. I mean, that tastes really good. And we're gonna take a break until that pudding is done at about an hour. This is where we're at. And I'm reheating my grandma sauce on the stove because I want it nice and warm. The apples are nice and soft. Okay. I think this might work. get some of the extra pudding there since it didn't stay in my apple. It's not the prettiest. Let's put some of Grandma's sauce on top. Moment of truth, scoop up some more sauce. That's delicious. It looks terrible, but this is delicious. And you know what this would be really good for, I think, is a brunch. Oh my gosh, that is good. This is actually my favorite so far.